Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around the internet, allegations surrounding Taylor Swift and claims that she evaded justice for years. Now, before you click away thinking this is just another celebrity gossip video, trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. We'll explore the FBI's role, the emergency motions, and the evidence, or lack thereof, that's been making waves. So grab your popcorn, and let's get into it. Taylor Swift, a name synonymous with pop culture, music, and philanthropy. But what if I told you that beneath the glittering surface, there are serious allegations suggesting she's been involved in a web of injustice? This isn't just about her music or her public persona. We're talking about claims that could shake the very foundation of her career. In recent months, there have been emergency motions filed that supposedly present proof of Taylor Swift evading justice. But what does that really mean? And what's the FBI's involvement in this situation? Let's break it down. First, let's address the elephant in the room, the allegations. It began when some online communities shared documents claiming that Swift had been involved in questionable activities, from financial discrepancies to alleged manipulation of public sentiment. These allegations have sparked outrage among fans and critics alike. Social media has been a hotbed of discussion, with users dissecting every detail. But here's where it gets tricky. Many of these claims lack credible sources and evidence. It raises the question, how much of this is grounded in fact versus fiction? Now, let's talk about the FBI. The Federal Bureau of Investigation typically steps in when there's a federal crime involved. So, what role do they play in this narrative? The answer is, not much. Despite the sensational headlines, there's no official investigation into Taylor Swift by the FBI regarding these allegations. Legal experts emphasize that the FBI's involvement is often misunderstood in celebrity cases. Unless there's substantial evidence of a federal crime, it's unlikely that the agency would take action. So, where are these emergency motions coming from? Emergency motions are legal requests made to a court, usually for urgent matters. In Taylor's case, some individuals have filed motions claiming she should be held accountable for her actions. But here's the kicker: these motions often stem from personal grievances rather than solid legal grounds. The fact that these motions are being filed doesn't necessarily mean there's truth to the claims. It could be a case of targeting a high-profile individual for personal reasons or fame. Unfortunately, this creates a media frenzy that can overshadow the truth. Now, let's get into the meat of this issue, the evidence. Supporters of the allegations often point to various documents and social media posts as proof. But when scrutinized, many of these evidences fall flat. Credible evidence must meet legal standards, and thus far, what's been presented doesn't hold up in a court of law. This situation highlights a broader issue in our society: how easily rumors can spread and tarnish reputations without solid proof. Regardless of the truth, the impact on Taylor Swift has been significant. Artists often face intense scrutiny, and this situation is no different. The stress and pressure can take a toll on mental health, which is why it's crucial to approach these allegations with caution. Taylor has always been open about her struggles with mental health, and the weight of such accusations can add to that burden. Fans and the public should remember that celebrities are human beings too. So, what have we learned today? While allegations against Taylor Swift have made headlines, the lack of credible evidence and the FBI's non-involvement suggest that there's more to this story than meets the eye. It's essential to differentiate between fact and fiction in the age of social media. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And let us know in the comments what you think about these allegations. Is it all just a ploy for attention, or is there something deeper at play? Until next time, stay curious.